Today I am going to teach you graph. In graph, different type of graph. One of them is pie chart. Pie chart. How you will make pie chart? See children, very easy. Don't be confused. Try to understand and then find out. See, this is the table. The table shows how a man spent his time during a 6 hours train journey. Train से you are going by train. Total time he spent on train 6 hours. And how he spent his time for what activities, how many activities he had done. So table by table you can see this. Activity eating. Number of hours 1. Yani 1 hour he spent for eating. Reading 3 hours. Talking 2 hours. During 6 hour journey he spent on talking 2 hours, spent on reading 3 hours, spent on eating activity 1 hour. Now you have to draw a pie chart to represent a data. First of all, what to do? You have to find total of the number. What is the number? Total hours. The man spent 1 plus 3 plus 2. This is 6 hours. Now you have to find the part. Means pie chart means you have to draw a circle, and inside the circle you have to show the parts. So be careful how you will find the part. So if you have to find eating, what part? So for eating, how much part? 1 by 6. This 1 hour and total hour 6. So 1 by 6 hours. Ye. Now reading. Reading is 3 hours. This is part 3 by 6. All of you know 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Yani half part, 1/6 of the circle he spent on eating, half part of the circle he spent on reading. Now talking. 2 by 6. This will be 1 by 2 parts. 2 by 6 total. This will be 1 by 3. Now this will the circle. First you have to divide into 6 parts. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Now eating, you have to give 1 part. Suppose this is eating. Now reading, 6 part. 3 by 6. Either you can take 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, or you can take half parts. So this side, this will be reading. Whole this side, this half part will be reading. Now how many parts left? 2 parts. You can put one side eating, and these 2 parts you can write talking. See this, half and always draw your pie chart or graph with pencil. So half give to reading and half out of half, one part eating and two parts talking. This will be the pie chart of graph. So in this way you can show. So first you have to find total and find out parts. This is very important, and then you can represent your pie chart. Thank you.